So they say in test number 2, it's a top 11 marks. That don't mean. So they say in a random physical science experiment, A and B are two different events. It was found that the probability of getting event A is 2 of 5. And then the probability of getting the probability of B not. You saw this small thing here. What does this represent? It represents not B. This small part there, it represents what? Not B. And then they said here we have the probability of A or B. And then they started asking us questions based on this. They say number 1, calculate the probability of B. How would you get the probability of B? Can I what's your name? Anton. Anton, how would you get the probability of B? Is 1 minus the probability of not B. So Anton is saying I should write this is going to be given as 1 minus the probability of B naught. Then this is going to be given by 1 minus, which one should I take here, Anton? 2 all over 5 or 3 all over 8? It's 3 all over 1 all over 8. What do you get for this one, Anton? If we type this in your calculator? 5 over? 0.5 over 8. It's 5 of 1 of 8. 1, 2. We're going to give you 1 and 2 marks. Anthony says it's 5 all over 8. Go to the next one. On the next one, they say we should calculate the probability of A and B. How would you get the probability of A and B? How would you get the probability of A? What's your name? Yes. Who knows? Who knows? You know. You don't know. How would you get the probability of A and B? So you say I should say this is going to be the probability of A plus the probability of B
minus the probability of A or B.
Minus the probability of A or B.
Over 5
It's 2 all over 5
plus
plus
5 over 8
5 all over 8
plus
minus. Now we are not using 3 all over 8.
Yes.
We are using 5 all over 8. Which among you are in odd? They are lying those who are saying minus 5 all over 1 all over 7. And why do you get which among?
487 all over 208.
It's what?
487
487
all over 208.
all over 208. 87. 87 all over what? We want a simplified one with so we have 5 all over 7. The second is what? 87 all over 208. Now we're going to give you 1, 2, 3. Huitimang. We are going to the number 3. Number 3, 1.2 they say. Hence, determine whether events A and B are mutually exclusive. Motivate to answer. Motivate to answer if A and B are mutually exclusive.
They are not.
Right. Are events A and B mutually exclusive?
Oh.
No, they are not.
Yes.
No, they are not. Why do you say that, right? I can't hear you. Why? The probability of A and B is not equal to what? To 0. Because we got the probability of A and B as this one. So it's not 0. So these two events are what? Are not mutually exclusive. Okay, let's go down then. On number 2, they say the Venn diagram below represents different scenarios of event A and B. Write down the probability of the shaded region for each of the diagrams below. Each of the diagrams below. What is the shaded region representing? What does 2.1 represent? It represents the probability of A and B. So for number 1, we have the probability of A and B.
Not clean.
Probability of A and what and B. Sharp.
Yes.
What's the name? We tap.
So then move the next.
We tap. What does number 2 represent? 2.2. Is the probability of not A or B. So the probability of A or B not is the probability of not A and not B. Yes. You said what? If you put the symbol inside, they're not. Yeah. You put it here. The probability. Now you need to put it inside or you put it outside the bracket. But at least, like, if I understand what you are talking about, not. What is very important is the not, which you are talking about, not. Let's go to 2.3. 2.3. That's not. What does 2.3 represent?
Probability of not A and B.
Probability of not A and B.
Number 3.
Number 3, yes. What does it represent? What does it represent? The probability of this is the probability of A only or probability of B only. A only and what and B only.